Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. So you want to start making luxury outfits, you want to specialize in making luxury outfits, but you want to also know what types of fabrics are going to be the best for you to choose when coming up with your designs or creating your designs, and you don't know where to start. This video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing some fabrics that I believe when you use them in making luxury outfits, they are sure to look beautiful once you sew them nicely, embellish them nicely, photograph them nicely, and present them to your prospective clients in a very beautiful way. If you will be interested in knowing all that I have to share with you in today's video, please, as usual, be sure to watch this video all the way through so you don't miss any important part of the video. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe, okay? We are on our way to 70,000 subscribers, and it's so mind-blowing to say. So please support this journey by becoming a part of us. If you're yet to share this video with a friend, like this video if you enjoyed watching, or if you're just here just watching me. All right guys, let's get straight into the reason why we are here today. Let's go. Okay friends, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Funmibi Olawore. I am a fashion enthusiast, a fashion lover, a beading lover, and embellishment lover. I like to talk all things beading, embellishment, fashion. I like to talk about beautiful outfits on here on my channel. So if this is your first time stopping by, welcome, welcome, welcome. It's so nice to have you on here. I hope you've already subscribed. I hope you've already liked this video. I hope you are planning on sharing this video with a friend, okay? Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you, and I thank you for spending your time and data with me. In today's video, like I said before, we are going to be talking about the best fabrics for making luxury outfits. The first fabric I have on my list, which goes without saying, is lace. And there's lace and there's lace, okay? I believe those that are into fashion know that there's lace and there's lace. There's lace that is just lace, and there's lace, okay? So make sure that you are buying good quality lace. That one that we call lace is good quality lace, okay? And most times they are not cheap. I'm not even going to lie to you. They are not cheap. You can see lace that is as expensive as 100,000 per yard. I'm not exaggerating. If you go to Eko Idumota, Lagos Island, go to places like Kubi's Fabric and all those other shops in that category, if you enter that place and you ask them how much some of those their lace are, your chest will be doing tukpe when you hear what they are saying, right? But these types of lace always end up giving you fabulous results. Sometimes as a fashion designer, you don't necessarily have to be the one buying the lace. Sometimes it's your customers that are bringing the lace to you. All they want you to do is to turn it into something fabulous for them, okay? And a lot of times with luxury like fashion designers, that's what happens more often. A customer has a party, they come with a fabric that is like the fabric of the day. They call it ashwebi. For my non-Nigerians that might be watching this video, ashwebi is just like a particular type of fabric that has been chosen by the celebrant to basically show that, okay, you are my friend or my family or my loved one, and this is the outfit that I want you to wear on this special occasion. It could be a marriage, it could be burial, it could be birthday, it could be whatever. People choose all these types of ashwebi fabrics for different types of occasion, right? So your customer can come with their ashwebi in quotes and then tell you, okay, I have a party coming up, this is what I want you to sew. Or sometimes they will even tell you, I don't know, just do something fabulous with it, right? So a lot of times lace is a good choice when it comes to making luxury embellishments. And we have different types of lace. We have stone lace, we have dry lace, we have sugar lace, lots of lace. I cannot even come here and start telling you the types of lace that we have. But this is where going to the market and seeing things for yourself comes into play, right? It's very important to do these things and just go to the market and see things for yourself, touch fabrics, learn about these things from some of the sellers of these types of outfits. Another good choice of fabric is George material. And for George materials, I feel like it's the Eastern people that are more into George. A lot of people from the South, some parts of the South, Eastern Nigeria, and some parts of some African countries actually. One person that sells good quality George material that I've seen on social media is George by Ruvero Design. She sells fabulous George outfits, like George materials, and she makes them sometimes, and the end result just looks beautiful, especially on brides and celebrants when they make those George materials. I've never worn George in my life. I've never even worked with it, but I've seen it. I mean, I've touched it when I've gone to the market a couple of times. But George materials as well, if it's sewn properly, It's going to look very, very beautiful. I'm going to put samples of Judge materials on the screen for people that don't know what I'm talking about. Judge materials as well, they are very, 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 very awesome when it comes to making luxury outfits. Another good type of fabric that we can use in making luxury outfits that is sure to give you a fabulous result is jacquard. Okay, and jacquard is not as popular as lace and george that I spoke about, but jacquard as well always looks very, very nice. There's a recent outfit that Vicky wore that she used jacquard for, and when I saw it, I'm just like, oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. And jacquards as well, they come in different grades. They are the ones that are not so expensive, and they are the really high up there types of jacquard. Okay, so it all depends on what you're going for and what your budget is. Another material that you need is illusion net when making all these luxury outfits. More often than not, if you're trying to make what is trending and looking, that is raining, basically, you need your illusion net. And illusion net as well, compared to the regular types of nets, is not cheap. As when I was living Port Harcourt, 1 yard of illusion net was 1,500 naira. Now I don't know how much it is. Now, if you know the latest price of illusion nets in Nigeria, please comment it down in the comment section. If you're also in another country, please comment how much it goes for in your city or your country down in the comment section, just so I also am up to speed with these things. So illusion net, corset mesh, if you're making corset types of outfits, corset mesh as well. When I was in Nigeria, 1 yard of corset mesh was 2,500 naira. I don't know how much they're selling corset mesh now. Very, very important, but it's a good type of fabric when it comes to making corset outfits that are bespoke luxury. There's corset and there's corset. Okay, if you're trying to make good quality corset outfits, you need corset mesh fabric. And I've talked about corset mesh, I've talked about illusion fabric or illusion nets on here on the channel. I have a whole video on it. I'll do my best to link important videos on the screen, so do your best to take note of those videos. I'm going to link them on the screen, so after watching this video, just scroll to the bottom of the description bar. You'll see 5 videos on there. Feel free to watch them and basically learn as well. Another good type of fabric is organdy. Okay, I've talked about organdy as well. Depending on the style that you're trying to achieve, organdy is also a very, very good quality type of fabric. It's different from organza, and in the video that I spoke about earlier, I talked about the difference between organdy and organza, so that's why it's very important to go check out those videos so you also know all that I'm talking about. The sun is coming out now and it's kind of doing a thing with this video. I think I need to close the blind. All right, guys, so I'm back now. I had to close the blinds and focus on my lights here, right? So corset mesh, very, very important. It's a good type of fabric. It's not cheap, but it will give you fabulous results. Another good type of fabric is Mikado. Mikado is also excellent when it comes to making luxury outfits. It photographs nicely. The end result is usually very nice. I'll put samples of some of these fabrics that I'm talking about and outfits that they were used for, to make you guys basically see what it is that I'm talking about. They look very awesome in pictures and videos, and they also look awesome in person as well if they are sewn nicely. Also, satin, I cannot go without talking about satin. Satin is also nice. Personally, when it comes to making luxury, like good quality outfit that when people see it, they will appreciate it, my favorite type of satin is Duchess satin. Duchess satin does not go wrong a lot of times. Those cheaper, or those other cheaper ones, or those mirror face satin, doll face satin, I personally don't really like them, but Duchess always looks fabulous in pictures and in person. Okay, so Duchess satin for bridal outfits, for luxury outfits, always looks really, really nice if it's sewn properly. And you put a clause there. It's not just to go and be buying expensive lace, buying jacquard, buying mikado. If you don't sew it well, it will not be fine. Okay, so when you buy all these outfits, make sure that it's properly sewn in order to get fabulous results. Another good type of fabric is damask. Damask, I feel like when I say damask, it just gives me olden days vibes, but you see people even in 2024 using damask for certain types of outfits, and the end result also looks really, really nice. Okay, so damask as well, if sewn nicely as well, and if embellished and presented nicely, always looks beautiful. Another fabric that I cannot go without talking about is ASOOKE. Okay, ASOOKE as well, very, very fabulous, especially for bridal outfits or just celebrant outfits. You don't have to be a bride. It can be your birthday and you decide to make ASOOKE and make it very, very nice. It will look fabulous. I'm going to put samples of some beautiful ASOOKE fabric, and because ASOOKE is like a native fabric to my culture. I am Yoruba, Nigerian Yoruba, a very Yoruba girl, and I grew up seeing my parents, my mom, aunties, and just people around me wearing ASOOKE. I also grew up, I've worn ASOOKE a couple of times. For my wedding as well, I wore ASOOKE and I looked stunning. I'll see if I can put a picture on here for you guys to see. So ASOOKE as well, if sewn nicely, always looks fabulous. And when you embellish it and do all the plenty embellishment and beading and accessorization, it just looks beautiful, like stunning. And we've seen other cultures now incorporating ASOOKE into their own like traditional outfits, and just when they're celebrating something, basically incorporating ASOOKE into their stuff, and it just looks really gorgeous. The final type of fabric I'll be talking about in today's video is good quality crepe fabric as well, if it's good quality, because there's also like those very flimsy types of crepe. They don't necessarily give you the result that you're going for, but if you get like good quality crepe and you sew it nicely, it will also make something beautiful for you. We've seen Vicky has used crepe multiple times on her page to make beautiful designs, and they always end up looking fabulous. So these are just a few out of the numerous types of fabric that we have. These are the ones that I know that when you use them for making luxury outfits, the end result is most likely going to look fabulous. I hope we all enjoyed watching. I hope we enjoyed. We learned something. If we did, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Let me know if there's any type of fabric that is really nice for making luxury outfits that I didn't talk about in the comment section. I hope we all enjoyed and learned something. Like this video, share with a friend, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, friends, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you all, and I can't wait to see you all in another video very soon. Bye.